How to change name on Codemate AI. Are you guys facing issues to change your name on Codemate AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop device. Once you open up the Chrome, now search for Codemate AI website. Once you enter the website, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile name. Click on it. Now click on profile. Scroll down. You are looking to change your name, right? You can see the option for change name. Now click on here and remove all the text. Now write the name according to your preference. Once you write down your name, just simply click on update. So as you guys can see, our name has been changed on Codemate AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.